Welcome to our channel. Today I'm taking you through the magic of making real homemade cheese. You'll see that with a little effort and care, anyone can make perfect cheese in the comfort of their own kitchen. Follow every step carefully to ensure your result turns out exactly as it should. We're starting with the basics in a very simple process. To begin, pour the milk into a large pot or a deep container. Adjust the amount to your needs. For this recipe, I used 5 liters of fresh cow's milk that hasn't been boiled, as this helps the cheese retain its beautiful natural aroma. While the milk sits, we'll prepare what will transform it. In a small bowl, mix 10 grams of rennet powder with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This combination is key because it helps the milk thicken faster and more efficiently. Add a little milk to the mixture and stir well. Now pour this prepared mixture into the pot with the milk. It's important to stir well so the rennet is evenly distributed. After that, give the milk some time to work its magic. Leave it at room temperature or in a warm place for about 2 hours. During this time, a firm, compact mass will form. Once the milk has curdled, gently cut the cheese into cubes. We do this to help the whey separate more easily. Then, place the pot on medium heat. I use setting 6 out of a 9, and heat it gently for about an hour. You will see the whey slowly but completely separating from the pure cheese. If you followed all the steps, your cheese should look just like this, rich and textured. It's time for seasoning. Add salt to your taste and stir well so that every part of the cheese is equally flavorful. The next step is straining. Transfer the cheese into a cheesecloth or a fine sieve to remove the excess whey. While we wait for the cheese to drain, I'd love for you to write in the comments, which city and country are you watching from? I always look forward to your messages. Also, if you enjoy recipes like this, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know about every new homemade delicacy we prepare. Leave the cheese to drain for a few hours, or ideally overnight, so it can take its proper shape. Once it is fully drained and cooled, it's ready for your table. There's nothing better than the smell and taste of cheese you've made yourself. Enjoy every bite. Thank you for being with me today. Until the next video and a new recipe, I wish you all the best and, above all, good health. Goodbye.